Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy, healthy and wholesome breakfast veg toast recipe. Ideal for office goers, bachelors, students and for children. This healthy veg toast is also ideal as a filling evening snack. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half cup besan flour. Besan flour is also known as chickpea flour or kadala mava in Malayalam. It's a good source of fiber and protein. Half teaspoon jeera powder, also known as roasted cumin powder. A fat pinch of jeera, also known as cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida powder. Now, for those who have noticed having digestive issues when consuming besan flour, always try to include these three ingredients, that is cumin powder, cumin seeds and a fat pinch or about 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Next, I'm adding in half teaspoon homemade garam masala, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Now black pepper helps in better assimilation of turmeric faster into your body. Half teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. And now with a spoon I'm giving this all a good mix. Next I'm adding in some vegetables. I have finely chopped 5 beans, which is about 1/4 cup. As you can see, the green beans are very finely sliced. So try to slice it very finely, especially if you are making for children. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 cup finely sliced green beans, 1/4 cup grated carrot, which is about half of a medium sized carrot, half onion finely sliced, 1/4 cup capsicum finely chopped, 1/4 cup coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped. Now if you're making this for children, omit green chilli or add green chillis as per the taste. And lastly, I'm adding in half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. Now if you don't have amchur powder at hand, you can use half of a finely chopped seedless tomato instead. And now I'm going to give this a good mix. You can add any seasonal vegetables or green leafy vegetable of your choice in this masala toast. And once everything is nicely mixed, I'm adding in some water. So I'm adding water little by little. So I added a total of half cup of water to make this into a slightly thick batter consistency. So this is the consistency of the batter. It is neither too thick nor too thin, but of pourable consistency. You can make ahead this batter and store in the refrigerator, and it will stay good for a couple of days, and that way you can meal prep and make quick and easy instant breakfast. To make the bread toast, I'm using 2 bread slices and I'm placing 1 bread slice onto a plate. I'm spreading the batter over the bread slice and I'm lightly spreading it out. 2 to 3 tablespoons of the batter will be ideal, and make sure you spread it out as thinly as possible. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm adding in about half a teaspoon of wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use A2 desi ghee or any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. And with a spatula, I'm lightly spreading the oil. Place the bread masala side down and then top it with the batter. I'm using 3 tablespoons of the batter and lightly spread it out. Make sure the corners of the bread slices are also spread with the batter. This is also an excellent way to include more vegetables in your children's diet. So feel free to add in any vegetable of your choice. I'm going to allow that side to toast well. Drizzle in half a teaspoon of wood pressed groundnut oil on top and carefully flip it over. Once that side is done, flip it over. And make sure both sides are well toasted. I'm going to flip it again. and press down. Just making sure both the sides are well toasted. Since this batter is made with besan flour, there is a chance to get burned very fast. So that is the reason why I'm quickly flipping it over again. And once both sides are nicely toasted, I'm going to transfer this to a plate. Repeat the same thing for the next toast as well. Just half a teaspoon of oil is needed and place the bread masala side down. Once done, serve to a plate and you can enjoy it with green chutney or homemade tomato sauce. So guys, do try this healthy and filling veg toast recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.